Good day everyone and welcome to this channel. If you are new here, please like and subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I have a new video.
In this video, I'm going to show you the different parts of an analog multimeter. This part of the multimeter is called the scale. So at this scale, you can see the different ranges. From on the top here, you can see the ohms range. It is colored blue, and just below the ohms range is the voltage range. So as you can see different scalings here. So later in my upcoming videos, I'm going to create another video on the specific to the ranges here. Alright, so in the scale, in this part of this multimeter, you can also see the needle or the pointer. So and just below this this screw here is the dial knob, or it's called the infinity knob. Alright, so the function, I'm gonna give you an overview of the function of this particular knob. If you are going to adjust 0 here, like for example, it's not pointing to 0, so you're going to rotate this like this. Like in this example, it's not pointing to 0, so what you'll do, you'll just turn this with a flat screwdriver or just your nail so that it will point to 0. Okay, so there you have it. This is the function of this infinity knob. And on the right here is called the 0 ohm adjustment knob, or the 0 ohm adjuster. Now the function of this adjuster is, for example, if you are going to measure resistance and then you are going to short circuit the two test probes. Let me show you how. Alright, so I'll be inserting the test probes, and then I will turn this on and then point it to ×1. Alright, so I'm going to short the test probes by inserting it here. Alright, you can see that the pointer here did not point to 0, so you're going to turn this knob so that it will be calibrated. Alright, so there you go. So it's now pointing to 0. Okay, so this is the function of this 0 ohm adjuster. Right, so let's turn this back off. So this part here is called the selector switch or the range selector. So unlike the digital multimeter, it's auto range. It will automatically select its range. So for analog, you have to select the particular range depending on what you will measure, or how large or how small you will measure. Okay, so later in my upcoming videos, I'm going to show you, I'm going to create a different video specific on how to operate this, I mean how to use this range selector or selector switch. Okay, so just beside this selector switch or range selector are the three knobs, I mean input jacks. Okay, so you can see here it's marked output. Here it's marked common, and here the last one is marked positive. Alright, so let's turn this over. At the back of this selector switch, at the back of this digital multimeter, you can see the battery compartment. Alright, so we have a screw here. If you are going to remove this, you can see inside the circuit board and the battery. So in my upcoming videos, I will also create a specific video in maintaining this measuring instrument. Alright, so the last part, which is also an important part, are the test probes. So here is the test probe itself, and this is the other end of the test probe. So just like in the digital multimeter, we have also two colors. The red is for the positive and the black is for the common. So if you will insert the test probes in this analog multimeter, you are going to insert it here. You see it's marked plus or positive. It has also a red color. It is color coded. Alright, so there you go, it's already inserted. And for the common, the black one, we have there mark COM or common. So this is where you will insert your black or negative test probes. It is also marked N, that means negative. Okay, so there you have it. Those are the 7 parts of an analog multimeter. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.